DJI has announced a new Osmo Nano action camera. The Nano is an ultra-compact wearable camera designed to be mounted anywhere. It has a two-part design that consists of a tiny main camera body and a detachable multifunctional vision docks. The main camera weighs only 52 grams while the dock weighs another 72 grams. The camera is waterproof up to 10 meters, but the dock is only IPX4 and cannot go underwater. The Nano carries a 1 by 1.3 inch type CMOS sensor with a resolution of 6880 into 5160 and 13.5 stops of dynamic range. It has a field of view of 143 degrees and a minimal focus distance of 35 centimeters. It can record 4K 60 frames per second in standard mode and 120 frames per second in slow motion mode. Videos can be recorded in 10-bit D-Log M for more flexible color grading. You get DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 or Horizon Balance electronic stabilization features. It can carry still images of around 35 megapixels. It has built-in storage and battery size. You'll get either 64 or 128 GB of internal storage, and dock supports micro SD cards expansion up to 1 terabyte. You get a 520 mAh battery on the camera and 1300 battery on the dock. The camera can record 90 minutes of Full HD plus 24 frames per second video, but up to 200 minutes when attached to the dock and display turned off. The camera can only be charged when docked, and it takes 20 minutes to reach 80%. You get a 1.96 inch 314 to 556 resolution OLED touchscreen on the display with 800 nits of peak brightness. The display can be used for monitoring while the camera is attached and wirelessly when the camera module is separated. Accessories are also there, such as a magnetic hat clip. You get a magnetic lanyard for hanging the camera around your neck or attached to your clothes, a magnetic headband to wear it while it is on your head, and you get a magnetic chest strap. There's a dual direction magnetic ball joint adapter mount for attaching the camera to the outside of the car or inside of a car. A dual direction foldable adapter mount for attaching the camera to existing action camera accessories in a protective case. They are offering an ND filter set and nano glass lens cover. It's priced at €279 for the 64 GB, which includes the camera, the multifunctional vision dock, Osmo Nano magnetic hat clip, Osmo Nano magnetic lanyard, a protective case, USB-C to USB-C PD cable, which is USB 3.1, and Osmo Nano dual directional magnetic ball joint mount. The 128 GB with the same kit is priced at €309. It is not available at USA for launch.